Hi students, welcome to a demonstration of Mendeley. I asked you to download this in session 1. It's a useful tool for you to use for assessment 1, assessment 2, as well as going forward in your studies. It's really a library where you can store folders and use certain functions to make things important, highlight text, to add notes. So I'm just going to show you a quick demonstration. As you can see on the desktop, I've got the Mendeley icon. You just double click on it. I have already uploaded the link on where to download Mendeley. Okay, and then you just let it load. Sometimes there are updates available and you can update accordingly. I'm just going to wait and see. I don't really want to update now, so I'm just going to press X and I'm going to maximize the screen so it's easier to work with. Right, and as you can see, I've clicked on all documents on the left hand side. And I've got all my documents, but if I wanted to categorize them, I'd need to create folders like I've got here on the left. I've got different folders, so if I was looking at personality, I could click there, and then all these articles are speaking about personality. Alright, so what I generally would suggest is that you create a folder, and you go down to the bottom, and you say create folder. I'm going to call this enter. There's already file name. Okay, let's call it counseling literature. Okay. Now I've got a folder on the left hand side here called counseling. There's no articles available. So on the top left hand side, you click add. You can now add an article. So if I go to anywhere, just search on your computer where you can find some articles or where you previously downloaded it. And I'm just going to go to a folder where I know I've got some articles. Let's say session 2, there was prescribed readings. And now I want to load Matthews and Ross, or let's just say this article over here. You say open. Another article is loaded under your counseling literature folder. Now what is cool is if you click on it, on the right hand side it's got all the credentials of the article, including the title, right, the authors, the journal it was published in, the year, what volume and issue it was, as well as the pages. So you can use this easily to reference, okay? And it's even got the Dewey number, which is quite awesome. But now I double click on this article and it opens up like that, and I'm just going to click right click, and now I can start reading my article. If there's certain things that I want to highlight, just like you would in Word, you would just highlight the text. The concept of a research paradigm is one that many high degree research students find elusive to articulate, and then I can highlight that. As you highlight it and you let go, there's the function of highlight this text and add note, or copy this text to the clipboard. So in this sentence, it told me that students struggle to grasp the concept of a research paradigm. So I'm just going to say here, I'm going to right click, I'll right click, and I can add a note. So I would say students struggle to grasp the term paradigm, and then I can just push enter and it saves there. Alright, and now when you want to come back to this article, you just click on your notes and you can see what you've written. Apologies for the cell phone going off in the background. Then what's cool, you just click on this right arrow over here, and on the top here it's got the details of the article, and you can click on notes. And now it's got the notes that you've created for this article. So instead of reading this entire article again and again, you can just click on your notes and see where in the article were important things that you made note of. And that's pretty much it. Then you can just close it and come back to it at a later stage. If you've got counseling literature, you can always add a subfolder. You just click on the main folder, let's say counseling, and you can say here, add folder. And then you can say theories. Alright, and then next time you download an article and it's related to counseling theories, you just add it, and pretty much it. Awesome, I hope you enjoyed it, and this is quite easy to grasp. If you're still struggling, do let me know.